Okay, so this is track number 1, you guys, from Blue Season. It's bass and house the artist. So yeah, we live, baby.
Yay.
Yes sir, yes sir. Let's go.
Yes.
One.
Kati kati siko asa woni funu bas kati yako sani ikheli nje ya bas mandoza wenzi pali kani yeke sam you can see me over when you pumbu tell anjali nina njambu tell nina njambu tell nina njambu tell nina njala awasindongam ngingena sewutheleka seyitoka lakatshane awubilapha imfitshi yakho ndisithumzele zam zoshayele zam semafini apenzene zam zihle nokhiyana bahlamba ngobisi ngazam thula mongameli esihlahla wabusika Ipisenja zami imeli nansi ngebo yalila shona ngabnanga bezona phansi.
Let's go.
Kati siko awusaboni funu bas kati yakho sani ihleli nje iyabas mandoza yeke ngisam you can see me ngoba wena uhlala umpumbuthela angihlali nina njambumbuthela.
Let's go.
Nina njambumbuthela nina njambumbuthela nina njala diphaya fakotana banobembi yasubayo koqolo yasumele thando endinayo noluzukileyo endityala lona sithando noluzukileyo ndalo ngcina uxolo ufungathe ubuntu uvelaphi na ububi abadaka sawuthanda ntombi ngoku esikhoyo asawuthethi nangomento soluthando yenu yaslihlwempu ngokomoya bandikalela ngamanzi hayazubahoya ndiyoncutshe ngokokudada intliziyo yam isefutheni ihlitshwe njani na umsi kwangabeni kwimbitshane elilambo ngendinwelile yincinci nina ndlambumbuthe.
Let's go.
Nina ndlambumbuthe.
Let's go. It's like that. Okay, that was Mpumbutela, guys, ne? That was Mpumbutela. It's me, bass, and yeah, I'm not bass basically. So the next song now, it's titled "It's Sula Sula." It's an interlude. Valid. But it's fine. We can go back again. Then you're going to my on "It's Sula Sula" interlude from Blue Season as well. So I hope you're ready. You ready, ne?
Yes.
You ready?
We are ready.
You ready?
Yes.
Ready? Cool. All right. Let's go. Go. Some. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Some. Hey. masipindi khameze yaphela. One last time, it's 5 on it, masifileli lena ne. Let's go. 1, okay, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yo. Otherwise, if I get to banana, alright, let's go to the third song. Okay, this one is the dedication to sister Yamu. So yeah, this one is for you. If you're watching,
yes, sir.
This one is for you. Enzo special for me.
Happy birthday to you.
Here's my favorite part here. Let's see if I can figure that now. Yo, this one is special.
Single
sister yam. I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you, man. Alright. Okay, ngicela ke sithathe a quick break guys. Ne just umuntu afumana amanzi ke siphole relax and ke sinokole sizibuzane nathi ba ibinjani session up to this point. Then ingoma eshekileyo zilandelayo ziyi3 and I'm going to change my outfit as well. Yes sir. It's all love. It's all love. I love you. Hold up.
See me?
All right. Uh-huh.
So was a 3.
Yeah, it was a 3 in this.
We have all 3.
We have one number 3, yeah. Are we good to go? There's something about you, girl. There's something about you, girl. I just see the glow. Sweet mommy, let me have some time. Oh, I love you when you up in white. You rock it and I like it. It's something I always wanted. Tim Tan Tan drink it on. You're my rider. There's something about you, girl. Oh, yeah. I just see the glow. Sweet mommy, let me have some time. Oh, I love you when you up and white. You rock it and I like it. It's something I always wanted. Tim Tan Tan drink it on. You're my rider. Come closer, yeah. Baby, why you standing alone in the corner? Baby, to the sun and on the floor. Come on, I can't show me. siphinde nengisho kamnandi hamba siphinde one last time hey siye sonke nekanda we chorus ke ay okay there's something yo kubona ndikona mnako umhlesiza madoda asendlela sizoza mayana there's something about you girl oh yeah I just see the glow you sweet mommy let me have some time oh I love you when you walk me wide you rock it and I like it it's something I always wondered Tim Tanda Jangero you're my rider come closer yeah there's something about you girl
Oh, my baby.
I just see the glow. Guys, this song like yo, it brings back old memories. It brings me old memories. Hey, one, two, three, Masambe. There's something about you, girl. Yeah. I just see the glow. Sweet mommy, let me have some time. Oh, I love you when you walk me wide. You rock it and I like it. It's something I always wanted. Tim Tanda Jangero, you're my rider. There's something oh yeah I just see the glow sweet mommy let me have some time oh I love you when you walk me wide you rock it and I like it it's something I always wondered Tim Tanda Jangero you my rider come closer
Closer, sweetie.
Baby, why you standing alone in the corner? Baby, to the sun and the phone, come on, like a shine, my baby's good. Ooh-wee, only you and me alone in the corner. Baby, to the sun and the phone, come on, like a shine, my baby's good. Ooh-wee, ay. No voy a dar nada. Ay.
That was Alone in the Corner by Hazel the Artist. Shout out to Star Rich, shout out to MJ Music for producing the beat. Okay, let's go to the next song. Okay, what about what's better lose? Do you have anyone who's better lose? What's better lose? What's better lose? Alright, let's go. Hey, it's a fight.
She's guys, I got Buddha has it. 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 She's guys, I got Buddha has it.
I need to tell us repeat. Yo, and what cash man? So little salam here. So let's do it. This cuts off.
Let's go, baby.
She's guys, I got Buddha has it. 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 Yeah, my fair tune, tell them my faith till I want to get your video.
What's up?
Yeah, my fair tune, tell them my faith till I want to get your video. Hey, good life, flexer. Yes, you know that you life rock coaster.
Blue season when they show me true colors. Had to stay on top for a long time. When she hits the fan, would you love me? Mom knows I got a son, she didn't freak out. 95 is not the way for me to make it out. I gotta follow my dreams, no doubt overseas. Excel and running for me guys. Pia guys, buy guys, look at the look on you. What a flex, what a flex. What a flex, what a flex. When I am with this pindi. What the best way she look. Uyazi coconut coco vele let's do man.
Let's do man.
I'm the masana pura hasu sokenda. Fala ya kokota.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Pull up with the gang, cocky face, I just wanna be the last one out shit. I just wanna make a lot of money and shit. I couldn't even on the minute, no baby kiss. Pull up with the yeah.
I'm still young.
You're good, not too good. Fight Chazzy, out 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 Chazzy. Let's go to the next song. Okay.
What is the next song?
So ingoma le ilandelayo ke yona ke ithi
Tell us more.
ithi uyabo.
Yes.
Yathi
Oh yeah, ba.
The effort safety.
We are love, baby.
yeah, baby.
The effort. It's Abraham.
Ntombi yomzulu bethu yasibosha la intombi yomzulu esizale izinto zakwashaka la.
Shembe.
Bosi la ushembe. Okay.
We are enjoying. Let's go, baby.
Yeah, enjoy my
One, two.
looking.
So le ngoma yokugqibela ne. Cela before le ngoma ndiyiperforme ne. Cela uqala ndiyenze a cappella mhlawumbe nizayiva better. Umxhosa kaXhosa anxhomi yanqenze kaloku. Linqumile inqatha baqale abanotiko. Akusuba kutheni naye kati leleziko. Akusuba nduru funeke ndondlile. Lo ngujola. Yabona kuyibambe phayana you understand bale ngoma minisha ntona pha kum. So let's go ke ithi uyaba maseya. Last performance of the day. Title of the song is Uyabo. 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 So shout out to Amashita Salongena, man. Shout out to Jay Stana. Shout out to Greasy. Shout out to Kent. Otherwise we're here, brother. I'm not so pushing to it. Guys. That is a chunk about.
Like chicken camera.
Yes, man. Because when you are worthy of focus on this.
Short stuff here. Seriously.
Uzongena apha.
It's all love.
Sathuna mkhulu, tankuru.
The cameraman of us.
Yes, sir. So let's go get to the...
Benibalini apha. They are live.
All right.
With our artist.
Yeah, the Blue Nation Kuzan.
Blue Nation. Hey.
Lusizi.
Hey, the nation, bro. Okay, I'm seeing you guys, man.
Budi. Kahlale ndize.
Hayi undiza kahlala endlini mfondini nje.
Okay. Kahlale imbombotelo. Kahlale budi.
Tell me to buy a new cabez to shell. Now I'm busy Pumbele. Tell me what's my cool. But I kiss.
Are you ready for this part? Are you ready for this part? 1, 2, 3, myself. 1.
Amayeza aphelile emuva komhlonyane. Amayeza aphelile emuva komhlonyane.
That's it. That's what's up.
Bye,
That was
Siri. Enjoy.
It's all love.
Good night. We love you all.
Yazi nonke luthando xa
Athe
sikhona.
Nkosi mama ngizobuka ngoku sezibani.
Uthando xa sikhona. Nyane ntombi sodwa.
Oh, uyaba.
The caption.
Danko. I-caption.
Yo. Yeah.
Hazard the rapper. Hazard the artist. Yeah. I'm with Evans B on the bass. MJ on the keys. Hazard the artist. Hey. This is Nipumi Konce. Yeah. Woo. Kaloku Nipumi Konce. Hey. Hello, and I'm saluting you, but I didn't know Nipumi Konce. I'm a good kisser, but it is a way, suckers in the land. Kill a show, not my first show, that was a favor. You keep chasing money, know that it's a root of all evil. I be dancing with the devil, my close friends with the devil. Tell a black God that has got a better 16. Living life that I predicted some around in 2013. You can really change clocks, but the time really flies. I am not even famous in the playlist with the big boys. In the playlist with the big boys. In the playlist with the big boys. Sure, one. Watching the standard is Ndoana, eh? Watching the tanda umswenga go. Watching the standard imbundu. Watching the standard imbundu. Eh, watching the standard is Ndoana, oh. Kaloku Nipumi Konce, eh. Watching the tanda umswenga, eh. Kaloku Nipumi Konce, eh. Watching the standard imbundu, oh. Kaloku Nipumi Konce, eh. Kaloku Nipumi Konce, eh. Kaloku Nipumi Konce, eh. Kaloku Nipumi Konce.